And I wish to express whether it is Senate President Win Gatchalian or whether it is former Senate President Cheese Escudero, we would like to express our faith and confidence to the impeachment court. Before the presentation of evidence, no, dapat talaga mag-appear muna ang respondent because that is part of the rules. She's supposed to enter her plea, and that is either whether she is guilty or not guilty. There must be an entry of plea. But of course, it is clear also under the Senate rules na kung hindi haharap ang Vice Presidente, kung hindi dadating ang kanyang abogado, o kung walang sagot na isusumite, that will be deemed as entry of not guilty. And thereafter, the trial shall proceed, no?
Pero tayo po, talagang ang gusto natin ay humarap ang Vice Presidente. At mag-undergo po siya, i-subject po niya ang kanyang sarili sa regular proseso po ng korte. Ibig sabihin, kailangan po para sa amin na siya po mismo ang mag-plea, mag-enter ng kanyang plea, no? Para po makita natin din yung kanyang commitment and seriousness sa pagharap nitong mga kasong ito laban sa kanya.